Alright everybody, just got the new Stampede VXL from Traxxas. Looks pretty sweet. I believe I got the green and blue, haven't opened it yet. Also got an Electron Pro battery for it, the adapters for it, and the charger, or the battery tester for it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, I moved you down to the floor so we had a little more room with my little desk. Had the Mavic Mini help us film me pulling the plastic off of there. Thought that'd be kind of fun. Alright, here we go. There's the Stampede VXL. There it is. In all its glory. She's a beaut. This has the Millennium brushless motors in there, and the TQI controller, so it's going to be pretty darn cool, pretty darn fast. Let's get this plastic off of here. Let's see what we're really looking at. And there she is, guys. VXL. Alright, let's see what they gave us with it. Got the truck. Got some extra parts, tools, some stickers in there. And then this bad beast right here. TQI controller. This sets up Bluetooth to your phone. You can have your phone on here. Helps you with adjusting the gears, helps you with your torque, and also if you have a youngster in the house or you just beginner yourself, you can turn on the training mode through there and run it at about half speed or a little bit less. So now that we've got everything out of there, I'm going to go ahead and open everything up, check out what we got, and I'll get back with you. Thanks.